Here's a C2 radians question from January 2009. Right, pause it and have a read of that. Right, we're asked to find the area of the sector BAC. Area of the sector is half r squared theta when it's in radians, so half times r squared times theta. So work out what that is. It's 18 times 2.2, whatever that gives you. Can't do that in my head. The size of the angle DAC, so we've got to find the angle here, and by symmetry, and we're told this, by symmetry, because these are the same, this must be symmetrical, so these two angles are the same. So subtract 2.2 from 2 pi, that gives us what these two leave from the complete 2 pi radians, and then divide by 2 to find each of them. And then the complete area of the logo to the nearest centimetre. Once we've found this angle here, which is pi minus 1.1, so I can do that in my head, it's 2.04, I think. Now it's cosine rule, so oh no it isn't, it's half AB sine C, so half of 4 times 6 times sine of 2.04. I'm not going to do that because I haven't got a calculator, but make sure your calculator is in radians. Then it's half A for B6 sine C sine 2.04. Right, these can get a bit involved, these questions. This is a pause this and have a read if you've not read it before. We're going to find the length of the arc BD. Arc length is quite straightforward, it's r times theta, so it's 8 times 0.7, so the arc length is 5.6, that's at least quite straightforward there. This length here is 8 because that's also a radius, that takes us to here. Next part is find the perimeter of R, this region here. This length we've just found is 5.6, this length must be 3, so this length we need to find, and we'd find that out from, let's have a look, from possibly cosine rule would be the approach there. That we've got two sides and an angle here, so that squared equals that squared plus that squared minus 2 times that times the cosine of that. Just whip that in, straightforward cosine rule, and then add those three numbers together. I'm not going to do that because, well, I'm just not going to do it. The area of R, okay, this is a bit trickier to find the area of R. We need to find the area of this whole triangle. The area of a triangle is half AB sine C, half of 8 times 11 times sine of 0.7. That tells us the area of the whole triangle, and from that we need to subtract the area of the sector, which is half r squared theta. So the whole calculation is half times a b sine c. Well, that into a calculator tells us the area of the triangle, and from that we need to subtract the area of the sector, which is half r squared theta, and do that calculation, work out what it is. That must give us the area R.